Holly the Hippo's River Adventure. Once upon a time, in the lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a curious young hippo named Holly. Holly loved exploring the world around her, especially the winding river that flowed near her home. One sunny morning, Holly decided to embark on a grand adventure along the river to discover all the wonders it had to offer. As she waddled through the shallow waters, she met many new friends along the way, including Sammy the spry squirrel, who taught her the importance of teamwork, and Gloria the graceful crane, who showed her the beauty of nature. With each new friend, Holly learned valuable lessons about kindness, cooperation, and respect for the environment. Her journey was filled with laughter, songs, and the joy of discovery, leaving Holly with memories she would cherish forever. Through her adventure, children will learn the significance of friendship and the wonders of the natural world, making it a perfect educational story for young viewers. The end. And see you in the next video.